Nollywood today, it is rare to see an actress, whether single, married, or divorced, to have had a career of over 20 years with no stain and controversies. As rare as it may be, Mide Martins is one of the 1% who has forged a stain-free successful career for herself while having a successful marriage in the same conversation. Mide Funmi Martins Abiodun, popularly known as Mide Martins, is a Nollywood actress, model, and a movie producer. She is the daughter of the veteran Nollywood actress Funmi Martins, who died of heart attack in 2002. Mide Martins was born on 12th of April 1979. She obtained her primary school certificate from Community Grammar School Ibadan and obtained her secondary school certificate from Providence Heights Secondary School, Fagba in Lagos State. Afterwards, she moved to Olabisi Onabanjo University, where she received a diploma in international relations.
English person, ẹ̀mí ẹ̀gbẹ́, wá, ṣé o mọ̀ pé yín lọ́ọ́ máa béèrè pé ṣé wo lẹ́ ń ṣe tẹ́ máa ní àwọn musician? Kí lẹ́ ń ṣe gangan àwọn tí mo ń kọrin? Ayé ẹ fẹ́ bàjẹ́, mo mọ̀ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Màá ṣe music yẹn, màá ṣe lórí ẹ̀, ajé. Ọlọ́run, ta ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ náà? Ṣé kò ṣe é ni? Àbọ̀ fẹ́ lu rẹ̀ ni. Ọmọ bọ̀ tí ló pè é ṣé ó já wèrè ni? Ọmọ ló ti rẹ́ pé. Ọmọ bọ̀ tí olórí burúkú àbí kò fẹ́ jà fún ẹ ni. Ìjà wá ìjà ò sí always guide ni. Ìyẹn ìwọ náà. Àjàkú akátá ni. Kí ló kọ bọ́ọ̀sì pé àtọ̀ ń jẹ́ ẹ̀? Ọmọ sáré sí ẹ̀ báyìí, ajé. Bí ìbá pẹ́ orí pé mo ń sọ. Wọ́n bí. Mo ń jó ni o.
Mide Martins started her career after the death of her mother in 2002. Though her initial plan was not to go into acting, but she made the decision so as to immortalize her mother into the heart of her fans and colleagues. And that is the reason for adopting the long name Mide Funmi Martins Abiodun in respect to her mother, Funmi Martins. Her career so far has been successful and free of controversies. She is one of the most sought-after actresses in the Yoruba Nollywood space, and the hot-headed character she mostly plays in movies has attracted a lot of fans to her. And recently, she has been appearing in comedy skits, most notably with Mr. Macaroni.
That's why we never allow it. There is no way you're bringing another woman inside this house. It will never happen.
I am pregnant.
It will not happen.
What will happen?
That's why it will not happen.
Baby, Greta, if you like, if you don't like, you vamoose.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Oh, eh? Such a girl.
I've heard a lot about you. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing here? I'm seated in my husband's house and you carried your nonsense self and you enter my husband's house. That's why I will not accept this.
Mommy,
I will not accept it. Well, we will enter the same Sokoto today and fight. What do you mean by another wife?
Wow.
Eh?
Mommy, wow, you are too old to be shouting like this.
Because of pressure, blood pressure.
Because of blood pressure.
Hey.
See, let me tell you, Mommy, I want you to take me like your small daughter, like your sister. I am not here to fight with you. I am not here to do Ogun with you.
Which small wife?
Live happily.
Happily ever after.
We should live happily in this house. Abi, you are mad. If I kill you, small wife,
Ẹgbẹ́ kọjá rẹ̀ dá padà. Kí ló ń ṣe yín? Kí ló ń ṣe yín tí ò ṣe nìkan rí? Ẹ máa dì. Ṣíṣe ò ṣe pé àmúgbò orí bí àríṣà. Mọ́mí ìwà jákòrí yín pé o. Torí máa ń dàrú tẹ́lẹ̀ jákòrí yín pé o. Ẹgbẹ́ mi dáadáa o. Ó sá lélẹ̀ mi ò kí ṣọmọ bọ̀ tí kí ló ń ṣe yín tẹ̀ dàbí àpò èlùbọ́ yìí. Kí ló mú yín gọgọrọ kí ló kọlù yín? Ṣé torí pé I've been trying to be nice with you tí mo ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ tí mo sọ pé mọ́mí wà bí kámídà kí ẹ wò mí dáadáa. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́? Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti ta sí mi lọ́pọ̀lọ́ nígbà ẹ̀ sà. Tó ti yẹ yín, mi ò nọ́mà, mi ò gbádùn, mi ò wá òkè, mo jáwé rẹ̀ kiri kan. Ṣẹ́ni ọdún ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi máa ń bọ́ ìkọ́ ni, mo máa ń pààrà kiri kan ni, tí mo máa ń bí mi, mo máa ń pààrà. Ẹ jáwé rẹ̀ tí bá kọ́ mi lásán, tí mo bá ń jábọ̀ yín, ó mọ̀ dàbí ìgbà tó kù ń jábọ̀ yín ni. Tẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kú máa ń wà yìí. Ẹ wá sọ pé kí ni, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé gidi kan ni o. Kí mo tiẹ̀ bá yín sọ? Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan, mọ́mú wa, Andele, 1, 2, 3. Come on!
Yeah. That's what we say we should can learn it.
No. That was for Mommy one now. You know, she just annoyed me small. She just annoyed me small. That was why I did that.
She annoy you small.
Just tinting like
If
this.
she now annoy you big, inko.
But no, baby. You know me now. You know I'm calm now. You know me, omo jeje ni me ò kí ń fa wàhálà. And now, you know that téèyàn bá gbé mi sí ibi kan tó bá fún mi sí mi lẹ́nu. Tẹ́niyẹn bá lọ sí Dubai tó bá máa padà dé, omi yẹn ṣì máa wà lẹ́nu mi.
Oh, baby.
Mide Martins is married to Hafiz Abiodun, popularly known as Hafiz Owo. who is a movie director, producer, and also an actor. They currently have 2 children, and the marriage has lasted over 50 years. The couple sometimes appears in movies together, and her husband directed most of the movies that has been produced by her, including the recently shot Alaja Modino, which is now in the post-production stages.
Gbogbo yín pátápátá kẹ́ bára yín rorí ó fún yín lọ́sẹ̀ mẹ́ta àbọ̀ oníkálukú gbọ́dọ̀ mọ kọ wá bíbá ìfún mi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kan wá tọrọ yín àmọ́ mo ti ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ ẹ wá ẹ̀gbọ́n yín tiẹ̀ adúpẹ́ fọlọ́hún òun ti lọ́kọ kí ni wọ́n fa yí ara ẹ̀rù wọ́n tó papọ̀ síwájú wọn ò yọ owó ẹ̀ wọn ò pè é wọn ò béèrè ò dẹ̀ ń dà mí láàmú mọ́nú ilé àbáwọn sòpá ló ń rí ni.
Ta ló lọ́kọ?
Ó ti lọ́kọ tiẹ̀.
Àǹtí mi ẹgbẹ́ ẹ lọ́kọ.
Ṣé ọpọlọ ẹ fọ́ ni nígbà tó ń sọ àbí tí ẹ di ṣọ́kọ̀ ni mo wá nẹ́ni.
Ọkọ yín dà?
Ó wà lórí mi.
Màdàmú ọkọ wèrè tó lóò fẹ́ ó dọdún 4 lọ lóòótọ́ ìyá ẹ̀ ńkọ́.
Àwọn náà wà lórí omi.
Màámi ṣe ń gbọ́.
Èmi yẹn wájọ́ tún Valamba ó dáa ọmọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ èmi ò bólódò ṣe lọ mú èèyàn gidi tó máa rìn lórí ilẹ̀ ilẹ̀ wà kó àtọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀.
Àbáyédìwọ̀ èmi ti lọ́kọ ń tèmi náà.
Ó ṣe kí yẹn.
Mo lọ́kọ.
Ó lọ́kọ. Ìwọ yìí pẹ̀lú gbogbo jẹ̀bọ̀jẹ́ ọ̀bọ̀ ayẹ yìí.
You understand?
Gbogbo pọ̀ṣọpọ̀ṣọ ayẹ yìí.
Ẹ ṣe láìkí ẹ.
Ní kí ni nǹkan náà? Ní gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ domdom ni. Ṣé o fẹ́ gbọ́? Tó bá lọ́kọ kí n kú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ.
Àǹtí mi.
Ikú
Ikú dẹ̀ ló máa pa yín fún kọ̀tẹ́ sọ ni.
ló máa pàjá.
Ikú ló máa pàjá ẹ.
Ikú máa pàjá ẹ.
Ikú máa pàjá ti yín náà.
Ṣó kílẹ̀
ẹ fẹ́ ṣí èrè ni ìyá àwọn ta ni kíkú pa ikú apàjà bàbá yín á tún pa great grandmother yín lọ́dọ̀ bàbá yín lórí apàjàwó bàbá yín tó fẹ́
ẹ má
èmi lórí.
Mo mọ èyí kọ́ láti ẹ̀ ń ṣà láti sọ pé.
èmi kọ́lẹ̀ àbólóṣì ni ìyàwó ló bí yín.
Mide Martins has appeared in a lot of movies in her career, which is over 2 decades now. She has a lot of movies under her belt, some of which were produced by her and others which she was featured. Some of these films include Ejika, Ìyàwó Méjì, Onítèmi, Níbo Ló Wà, The Devil You Know, A Dying Wish, Finding Ìrètí, Iye Kan, Haunted Pleasures, Ẹrù Ẹlẹ́rù, My Wife, My Trouble, and many other movies.
Madam Rakumi, tìkẹ́tìkẹ́ bó lẹ́ ń lọ.
Kí ló jọ lójú ẹ pé mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe?
Ibo ló fẹ́ lọ jókòó sí níbẹ̀?
Ojú ń dùn ọ̀rọ̀ rí pé ní mọ́tò ọkọ mi mo fẹ́ lọ.
Kò fẹ́ lọ jókòó sí mọ́tò ẹ̀. Ṣé o ṣì lọ́kọ ni? Ní o ṣì ní lọ́kọ̀ pé o ṣì lọ́kọ. Ìwọ tó ò bímọ, o dẹ̀ ṣì ní lọ́kọ̀ pé o lọ́kọ. O ò ní tìjú ni. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ àwọn sẹ́ẹ̀tì aláìlóyún bíi tiẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń kárí bọnú ni.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Pẹ̀lẹ́jàre òkèlè báwo ni? Mò ń bá ya yín wí lọ́wọ́. Ó yẹ ìgbà tí Babájídé rí ká jáde yẹn ṣé ló yẹ kó dorí kodò kó sọ pé ò lè jáde torí pé inú ẹ bàjẹ́ torí òòrọ̀ ọmọ bí látijọ́ ò lóyún ní.
Mo ń bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ náà báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe báyìí kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́ náà.
Onífun jẹra onírun jàn. Can you stop kiri? Jọ torí Ọlọ́run o kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má ní mi lára nínú ilé yìí o. Èmi lọ́lọ́run bless pẹ̀lú olú ọmọ o. Ìyáálé ìyàwó tó ṣe àkọ́kọ́ fẹ́ kò ṣe àgbọ́pá kò ṣe àgbọ́po. Jọ torí Ọlọ́run kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má stress mi kó tí ẹ kí n má pariwo gan.
Ṣebí you've seen the mad woman you brought into the house. Ó ní kò bẹ̀ mí. Ṣé bó rí?
Babe, mad woman tó róyún ni.
Stop, can you
Ìwọ tó mad tó róyún ní kọ́.
Nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ṣe bí mo ní kó káyìí wá.
Ọ̀gá kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Òun mímí jù dẹ. Kí ló dé o fẹ́ mi ojú oyún inú mi dànù ni? Ó dẹ̀ ń fi mi ní fìkúfì báyẹn. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Jọ́sọ́ fẹ́ máa bá mi fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ ni. Ó ti gbà pé mi ni mo gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ síkùn. Ṣé ó ti gbà pé mi ni mo gbé olú ọmọ ẹ̀ síkùn? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ tí ò gbà pa tí ò gbọ́kọ látọ̀dún tó ti ń ṣàlẹ́ṣàkúṣà nínú ilé. Látọ̀dún tó ti fẹ́ sínú ilé. Ṣé ó róyún ni?
Unlike many celebrity marriages, Mide Martins has been able to forge through the challenges and balance the hurdles between her career and marriage. With over 3.8 million followers on Instagram, she's one of the most followed actors in Nigeria, and she has been able to influence the young people who look up to her as a role model. Mide Martins has successfully immortalized her late mother, Funmi Martins, into the heart of all, and at the same time carved a successful career for herself. And looking at the past, the present, and forward to the future, Mide Funmi Martins Abiodun has secured a legacy for herself and her mother, and their names will forever be written in gold in the heart of numerous movie lovers.